G'day peoples, it's coming up to Christmas and today I'm going to show you one of my little favourites, which is a corned smoked chook. Pretty simple. I've got my brine made up here that I've used in other videos that I've made. I'm going to inject this chicken. When we do the chook, you've got to get it all in as close as you can to the bones and cover the whole lot, so we'll get into it. You'll really see the old chook grow when we inject them like this. It really nearly doubles the size of them. With this chook, I'm going to hope to cook it this afternoon, so I'll probably let it soak in this brine for about 3 to 4 hours. Instead of boring you, I'll fast forward through this stuff and we'll get back to you when we start cooking. Cheers. Okay. So the chook's been now sitting in the brine for about 5.5 hours, a bit longer than I'd hoped, but we'll deal with that. So we'll get it out. Now I'm just going to pat it down with a bit of paper towel, make sure it's all nice and dry. Just like so. So now I'm just going to grab a little bit of peanut oil and I'm going to coat the chook in that. Alright, now that we've done that, I'm going to go to get a bit of onion, which I've quartered up, and stuff that inside the chook. Grab my little bit of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Stuff that in there. Bit of a smear. Alright, now I'll go to the Old Faithful, which is my Killer Hogs barbecue rub. I'm going to give it a reasonably heavy coating. Bits of onion back in that fell out. And now I've got a bit of Killer Hogs vinegar sauce that you can see here. Now I've got a little jar that I've even parts of vinegar sauce and water. I'm just going to tip that inside the chook. And now from here I'll let that rest for a little bit, and then I'll stick that under there so none of that juice comes out. And then I'll go fire the smoker up and we'll put him in. Okay, so I've got the smoker up to 70 degrees Celsius. That's what I'm start to cook off today with this chook. Now I'm going to get him, chuck him in, stick some meat probes in her, and we'll get into her. Now I'm actually going to stick 2 meat probes in today, just because I reckon the one on the GMG isn't quite reading up to standard. I'm using the Texas Premium blend of pellets today from GMG, and I'll get back to you in about half an hour after we put it at this temperature, and I'll crank him up from there. Okay, so the chook's been on for half an hour now at 70 degrees. I'm just going to get a bit of butter. I'm going to place it inside the chook. Okay, the chook's reached an internal temperature of 63 degrees. I'm now going to get it out, wrap it in some alfoil and keep cooking until it hits an internal of 73 degrees, and then let it rest for about half an hour. I do apologise about the light, but it is dark. Okay, so the chook's been resting now for about an hour. Just going to open him up and we'll have a look inside. So much moisture in this chook. So there you have it, guys. That's my smoked corn chook. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.